Hi! In front of me is REALME C55 and today I would like to show you where you can access all your downloads on this REALME. You need to begin by opening Files app. You can find it in Google folder. If you never used it before, select Continue and tap on Allow. Now click on Browse at the bottom in the middle and select Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!